we got another one, a one brand wash day. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney and I love testing out an entire brand on my hair as a one brand wash day. This is meant to give you more information as the consumer. So if you are feeling like trying any of these brands, you can see how it looks on my fine, wavy, low porosity hair. So anyway, I've been playing around with the curly girl method now for 2 years. My hair started out looking like this. Whoa. And after lots of work, trial and error, looks like this. So today we are trying out EVOLVh products. I am so thankful they were willing to send me some samples to test out. And guys, I've got to say, wow, they're so high quality. I loves them. But without further ado, let's go into my bathroom and I'll show you exactly how I use these products. All right, let's just jump right into using these products. I'll go ahead and show you what I'm using. They do have a hydrating curl line and I've tried it several times and it's a little too hydrating for my hair. So I will be using the Ultra Shine. Guys, these products are so concentrated. I know these are travel sizes, but I think these would last me a month. It's crazy. I don't know if it would be an actual month. I haven't gone through a whole set yet. But this is the Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo, the Ultra Shine Moisture Conditioner, the Smart Volume Leave-In, and they don't really have a gel, but I have used their Total Control styling cream and it's like really good. So let's jump right into using these products. All right, got my hair really nice and soaking wet, and I'm gonna grab just a little bit of this shampoo. It is clear, so you can't really see how much I've got, but I really didn't grab much at all. And these are sulfate free. They're technically a low poo, but I find that they are very cleansing. So you might find that if your hair is prone to being dried out, you might prefer the hydrating curl line, but my hair has been extra greasy this summer, so I've been enjoying the slightly more cleansing one. And I'm gonna finish scrubbing my scalp with my scalp scrubber. I love how good this thing feels. With a low poo, you can always add just a little bit more water to it to encourage the lather or the suds. Heck, you can do that with any shampoo or co-wash. All right. Now I'm just gonna rinse that out. Going in with the conditioner, and I'm only gonna be using that much. It's not much at all, but I really truly find that that's all you need, or all I need anyway. These products smell really good and clean. The Ultra Shine line has kind of a grapefruity sort of smell. It's very fresh and summery and citrusy. Now that my hair is thoroughly finger detangled, I'm gonna finish brushing my conditioner through my hair to make sure that every single strand is evenly coated with conditioner. Then I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water to my hair. And I'm gonna do a squish to condish. Now, this conditioner soaks into my hair crazy fast, But if I were in the bathtub, I would finish doing bath things and then rinse it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out right now because I've clearly already done all of the other for today. Now I'm going to go in with the Smart Volume leave-in. Again, following the trend, their products are concentrated, so I'm not going to be using too terribly much. And I really find that about 6 sprays is all my hair wants and needs. Now I'm going to organize my curl clumps, which means I'm going to pull the hair off the side of my face. Really push the hair away from my face and rake the hair off the back of my head. And the reason I do that is that I don't want anything stuck. Let me see, we're gonna smooth that just a little bit. There we go. Gonna do a quick little squish to condition with the leave-in. Make sure that it is evenly distributed. Now I'm going in with the Total Control, and I don't have my measuring spoon. Got it. 1 teaspoon of product. This doesn't say to use it this way. You're supposed to. Let's see what the directions say. Directions: apply to damp hair with more product at the root for added lift. Blow dry away from scalp for added volume. I find that this has like a light to medium hold, and it really makes my hair shiny and happy, and I don't know, it really works well as a styler for me. So I'm using it like gel, even though it's a volumizing cream. And I may or may not have a major crick in my neck today. So I'm not really, I hope I'm applying this as well as I normally do, but I'm not able to turn my head as far as I normally am. Going to the chiropractor later today. Now, I'm gonna add just a little bit more, not quite a full teaspoon. And I'm really gonna scrunch that into the ends to make sure that the ends are also getting enough product. All right, that is it. That is what the curl clumps are looking like. I am gonna go plump my hair and then I will diffuse till 90% dry, finish air drying, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like. All right, guys, I did diffuse my hair to about 90% dry, and then I decided to go outside and water my garden. Woo, it was windy, and I don't know if that's ruined this wash day or not, but my hair is now dry. There is no cast per se to scrunch out, but I am going to give my roots a good fluff and kind of organize everything up here. The wind kind of did this for me though. Woo, I'm looking forward to going to the chiropractor. My neck hurts. Whine, whine, whine. Looking in the monitor to make sure that I'm in frame and that there's no weird things happening. All right, here is what my hair is looking like right now. Let me turn around and show you the back. I really like how big and beachy my hair looks when I use these products. It's very soft and touchable, yet kind of, it's got some volume, and I'm feeling it. All right, I will be back later to show you how it's holding up. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. I have just taken my hair down out of the pineapple and let it settle. And it is so big and so pretty. I kind of feel a little bit of India Batson vibes. I know it's not the same, but that's the vibes it's giving me. It's so big, it's so voluminous. I don't think it's fully settled yet. These pieces are still kind of a little bit wonky, but let me turn around and show you the back. Yeah, these pieces right here are still kind of sticking out funny, but I think they would eventually lay down and behave. But yeah, these are my results with the EVOLVh products. It's kind of a different look than I normally go for. Normally I'm going for like a more defined, curl enhanced look. This is big, shiny, bouncy, voluminous, loose, kind of beachy waves. And I gotta say, I kind of like having the diversity of multiple looks. Like if I use these products, my hair will look more like this. And when I use the EVOLVh products, my hair looks like this. I don't know. This is kind of fun. All right, I'm gonna go finish getting ready now. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that the video was actually helpful and enjoyable, and maybe you'd like to see some more One Brand wash days soon. Wow, that's a loud truck. And I would love to get to hang out with you some more, so if you want, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. If you have been feeling super lost on where to start the Curly Girl method and just want a pretty little package of videos and notes explaining step by step exactly what you're supposed to do and how to get started on the right foot, go ahead and check out Courtney's curl class in the description down below. This is just a resource I created to try and be as helpful as humanly possible, because the Curly Girl method can be a lot, but I think it is absolutely worth giving a shot. It has done wonders for the health of my hair and many of my friends here on the internet. So feel free to check that out if you want. It's a lot easier than going back through hundreds of my videos at this point and trying to find the exact information that you want and scrubbing through the video and this, that, and the other. Courtney's curl class, pretty little package, short little bite-sized chunks. Okay, enough about that. I hope you enjoyed this video featuring the One Brand wash day of EVOLVh products. I really do enjoy these products a lot, and I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!